Hey everyone, Simon here. The Ecovacs Deebot X1 Plus robot vacuum is your premium hands-free solution to convenient home cleaning. The X1 Plus is equipped with 4-stage deep cleaning with integrated sweep, suction and mopping hardware for a deep and efficient clean. The dual-side brushes and a floating main brush finds any debris on its path and will lift off multiple surfaces with its 5000 Pascal suction power. The Osmo 3.0 oscillating mopping system will leave your hard floors sparkling, ensuring no stubborn stains remain. Yeco AI voice control lets you control your smart robot with nothing but a few words. You can command your X1 Plus to start up, undertake a range of cleaning functions, and even change settings effortlessly with the dedicated voice control assistant. What makes it even easier is that Yeco can work independently off your existing smart speaker system, but can also be integrated to work with the likes of Google Home Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Rather than emptying out the dustbin after every clean, the X1 Plus has its own automatic emptying station that it will head to whenever it detects that the internal dustbin is full. The emptying station houses a 3.2 litre disposable bag with a fully sealed drawer-style design, keeping dust and allergens contained. Now you can just let the X1 Plus do its thing, with the station not needing to be emptied for up to 60 days. There's nothing that says clean quite like the breeze of fresh air, and that's exactly what the X1 Plus will leave behind once it's done cleaning. It has a built-in compartment that takes air freshening pods and leaves clean areas smelling fresh. There's a bunch of different scents to choose from, so you can pick what suits your space best. You want your home appliances to match your decor, and robot vacs aren't much different when it comes to your home aesthetic. Curated by the award-winning Jacob Jensen design, the X1 Plus is a premium and fashionable robotic vacuum that fits perfectly into your home and looks great in the process. For more info on the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Plus, pop into your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.